Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Rakam is sangma Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Sarkar Jela habi ekren berkilat pathai Kubor mentaka sengi ke khatsau terik ujeleo arajara arpusau halor ke college jongki karikor ni ke engineering college ke baka Sarkar ke latmu bansna nakaliang jong u la pentip baka Sarkar hagini ki sengi kala penbet ban penlong ye ke jing jurip halor ke jing ya syakmat jong ke kam henrei ni ki dau ki bamla kiar lahab ban pensange shwa bar ke jing lej pet ye ke jaka ke balasna ye ke college jong ki karikor ha ke jela kan long la shim tayo nakaliang urakam lo pentip ru baka Sarkar kan pet ye ki kam ke bedei ban le bat kum baka long menta ke jing penrung kerteng ye ki kena puli hapo ke jaka puli hapathar khma rong jeng kala ya syakmat but Shen and Salah ban sedang ye kajing shim kelas la benrap Menteri Sarkar.
We are on the process and we thought of visiting this campus last week, but it couldn't happen. We'll be visit the campus next week and we'll see around what things to be done. And the first is the application process because there's some environment. So these things will follow.
Any timelines of when you're looking to?
Why? I can't say any timeline, but at the earliest possible, when the due process is completed, we will certainly will start. When the process is completed, we certainly because now the Patarkama and Rongzeng we have already. I mean the class will commence from this is being commenced. The admission is going on at the Patarkama and the Rongzeng.